Welcome back to Dawn's English Podcast. Last week, we talked about tackling digital clutter, which I know for some of us, like Jay, felt a little overwhelming.
Oh, tell me about it. Still wading through those old photos. It feels like a never-ending project.
I know, but speaking of digital organization, you mentioned something after last episode, didn't you? Something I brought up?
Yeah, exactly. The second brain system you talked about exploring. It really stuck with me, especially after seeing the sheer volume of digital mess I have. It sounds intensely organized. Can you tell me more about it? What is it really?
Absolutely. So, a second brain system is basically building a reliable external system, usually digital using apps or software, to store and organize everything. All your ideas, notes, files, projects, everything. The goal is to free up your mind from trying to remember it all and have things easily accessible when you need them. It's like giving your brain a backup drive and a filing system.
Okay, that makes sense. My brain definitely feels like it needs a backup lately. Are there different ways to do it?
Yeah, there are a few popular methods. There's Getting Things Done, or GTD, which is more task-focused. There's Zettelkasten, which is great for connecting ideas like building a knowledge network. But the one I've been focusing on, and the one that feels most practical for managing projects and information, is called Para.
What? Para? Oh, sounds technical. What does that stand for?
It's actually pretty simple. P is for projects, things you're actively working towards, like planning the office move or maybe learning to cook. A is for areas of responsibility, ongoing parts of your life you manage, like health or finances or podcast. R is for resources, things you're interested in or might use in the future, like articles about smart shopping or places to hike. And A is for archive, anything finished or inactive but you want to keep, like old project files or those disastrous college cooking photos you found.
Projects, areas, resources, archive. Okay, I can see how that structure would help. Everything has a place. No more random files scattered everywhere. For someone who likes things sorted and planned out like you, it seems perfect.
It really is. It helps me feel less overwhelmed, especially with everything that goes into juggling work, podcasting, and all the different areas of life. Knowing where information lives reduces that mental clutter we talked about. It's kind of like how building Lego is meditation for you, or how reading on the subway helps you de-stress. For me, building systems like this clears my mind.
Wow. Okay, you're making it sound really appealing. My current method is basically search frantically and hope for the best. Trying to organize that photo library was a wake-up call. I mean, I've been trying to take small steps with things like cooking or finding time for friends, but this is like applying that idea to my whole digital life. I feel motivated to try this para thing. I'm up for giving it a shot.
Yes, that's the spirit. It's not about being perfect from day one, just making progress little by little. You can adapt it to fit how you work. So, thinking about this digital organization or even just your overall life goals right now, where are you headed? What do you hope to achieve by getting things more organized?
That's a good question. I guess I want to feel less stressed, first off. Like when I was scrambling to find that calendar alert and almost missed recording, or just dealing with the constant busy pace and commute. Finding information easily would definitely help with that. And maybe it could even help me stick to other goals better, like finding time to try new things or keep up with reading.
Exactly. It's about making life feel more manageable so you have energy for those small joys and connections. And honestly, I think having a structured system like this would look good on you, Jay. You might surprise yourself with how much you enjoy the clarity once you get into it.
You think so? A structured system looks good on me? I'm usually more of the figure it out as I go type, or reacting to panic. But maybe it's time for a change. It's like trying a new style. Sometimes something unexpected really suits me.
Couldn't agree more. And remember, you don't have to go all in at once. Start with one area, like your photos or maybe your podcast notes. See how it feels. The key is just starting and sticking with it, even through the frustrating parts, just like learning to cook or going to the gym at 8 p.m.
Small steps. I like that. Okay, consider me convinced. I'm going to try applying some of these para principles to my digital life.
Awesome! We can check in next week and compare our progress. Maybe we can even tackle organizing our calendars, since managing time is half the battle.
Oh man, my calendar is just chaos. Half filled events, random reminders, but okay, I'm in. Calendar clarity, here I come. Eventually.
Hey, eventually is fine. Well, everyone, organizing your digital life can feel daunting, but finding a system that works for you, whether it's para or just a solid calendar routine, can really make a difference. It's about freeing up mental space and making sure you can find what you need when you need it. Try it out and see how it looked good on you. Next episode, we'll talk about how to take control of your time and make space for what matters. Stay tuned.